Why is it treated as a legendary masterpiece? Even though it's a Bandai character game, a bold 11800 yen plus consumption tax 3%. Super expensive. Actually this, in 1998 died suddenly at 31. Called a short-lived genius, Akihiko Mori did the BGM for this. So the BGM is treated as legendary over the game. It's a legendary cart, but was it not selling back then? Used copies for sale are relatively few. Let's preserve it for the future. The contacts are dirty, so it probably won't boot on first try. The front is a bit yellow, so let's clean it up. Angel Old Man Snot. Don't get close to the label. On a sunny day put it in sunlight. After 1 hour when dry apply another coat. Since it's winter maybe it takes half a day. It turned out like this. Magic potion lifts the grime. Magic powder. Kimchi. IPA. Refill complete. Soldering iron. Solder sucker. New battery. Old battery. Zombie body fluid, Gen Z tears. Lucian. Cure it with Hydrogen light.
Catch coach.
Magic potion, rust prevention lubrication. $19.96. Off you go to the future.
Bye, Lucian.